Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in a bonus video throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I have a spare of the moment update on this hair bag, you all. So before I get into this hair update, y'all need to subscribe to your girl and click on the subscribe button, because that really will help out my channel. And with that being said, you all, I'm gonna jump right into this here really quick review. You know, I did a haul. I did a unboxing, and I also did a what fits in my bag, and then I also did a video on how this bag works with a organizer. Well, I'm not sure if the vlog is going to go up first or not, but most likely the vlog may go up first. I insert the vlog up here so y'all can see what I'm talking about. My daughter and I was out, and I had on this particular sweater. I wanted to show this sweater in the video so y'all can see what I had on. Now the reason why I'm doing this hair review, because I just wanted to warn you all what happened to me. I just wanted to know if y'all are experiencing the same thing as myself. I had this hair sweater on the day I wore this bag, and I had on a pair of black sweatpants. Well, when my daughter and I, we went to a ice cream spot, and when I was wearing the bag, I was wearing it crossbody the whole time I wore the bag, because it was just comfortable. And at the time I was vlogging. And let me just say, when I went into the ice cream store while we were waiting on our ice cream, I was digging in my purse looking for my wallet. I noticed my whole back side of this hair bag was red. I don't know what happened, y'all, but I almost died in that store. I was like, oh my gosh, like, what the F just happened? Like, oh my goodness, like, I could not believe it. Like I said, I never had a all canvas bag before. When I tell you this whole bag was covered in this red sweater, and I will insert pictures where I only was able to screenshot like 2 different pictures, so I will try and insert those pictures so you all can, you may want to be careful with. But I never thought this hair sweater would have been on this whole entire back of this bag. So I was like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, what's going on? Like, I did not know that this hair bag was going to do that. So, you know, keep the red stuff on the bag, because at the time I didn't have anything to wipe it off with. But when I got home, I took one of my washcloths, one of my clean washcloths in my closet, because I knew, you know, taking a paper towel, I don't know, for some reason I think the paper towel would cause more lint to the bag. So I took a washcloth and I just rubbed the back of my bag really good, and it did come off. It come off. So you can see, let me see if I can show you. You can see a little bit of the red still on the bag. So that was a bummer for me. Now I don't know why, or whatever the case is. Like, I don't know if it will eventually stain the bag or whatever, because like I said, I had this hair sweater and it doesn't have like no lint or anything. Like, it's just a regular old sweater. I did get it from 5 and Below, so I'm not sure if you can see the material of this hair sweater. Like, I did not think this hair sweater would have rubbed off on the back of this hair bag. I can only imagine the black color. Like, the black and white is a cute color as well. So with that black and white, I'm sure it will show a lot of transfer. Like, you can see like little lint balls on this hair bag. Like, you can still see the red. I didn't really scrub it as much, but I'm like, oh my gosh, you all. So this video is to give y'all a heads up. What could I do to prevent that, or is it just going to continue to happen? Because again, this is my first time ever purchasing this hair canvas tote from the Marc Jacobs collection. So I wasn't aware of any type of color transfer or anything on it come off with me scrubbing it with a what it's called, washcloth. Like I said, it wasn't wet. I didn't damp it or anything like that. Now I do not have any lint, you know, those lint brushes, so I'm not sure if I may need to purchase one of them for this hair bag. Now I'm like, oh my goodness, am I gonna have to worry about, you know, when I wear sweaters? Because like, as you can see, now this here is a fuzzy sweater, and I did get this here from TJ Maxx. So if I wear this bag, do I have to worry about the fuzzy stuff getting on this bag? Like, I'm like, oh my gosh, you all, I still love the bag. I'm not gonna sit here and say because of that I don't love it anymore. Like, I still love the bag, but I'm just a little disappointed with that part. Or I probably can, you know, scrub it a little better with the washcloth, because I was just mainly trying to get the red stuff off. Like, I really didn't take my time doing it. Once I saw the red stuff coming off, I was like, okay, my bag is coming back. Like, it's coming back. When I tell you this whole bag was covered in red, y'all, it was covered in red. Like I said, hopefully the pictures that you will see in the pictures, like, I was just like, oh my goodness. Like, I couldn't take the video off mute because I was in the store. They was playing music, but if y'all could have seen my face and what I was thinking and what I wanted to say, y'all would have been like, I was just like, oh my goodness. That you all, I do still wear this bag. Like, I'm planning to go, like, it has lint here on the front. Like, I'm not sure if you can see it. So I don't know if this bag is that type of bag you just have to, you know, take a lint brush or some type of something and just wipe it down every so often. I didn't know that. I just thought it was a canvas bag. I thought it was a throw and go type of bag. I didn't know I had to kind of like baby the bag and make sure and this and that, because like I said, I did carry it crossbody because that's the day we were like walking around and I was vlogging, taking pictures, and I just didn't feel like having it in the crook of my arm or even handheld. So like I said, it was convenient for me to carry it as a crossbody. And like, now I have on black tights, so again, I'm not sure if I have to worry about color transfer on this hair bag. The bag do get color transfer. I just want to make sure, like, if I do experience that with this hair bag, I just want to make sure it will come off. And to get on here and share, because you know I'm always sharing stuff. It's that, you know, people do buy the things that, you know, I recommend. Put it out there just in case you all did purchase this hair bag per my recommendation. Wanted to let y'all know, just be aware of that. And if you are experiencing that, let me know down below. So let me know down below what you had done to clean off your bag, other than wiping it down with like a cloth. Like, let me know if you used any special, you know, things, or if you purchased something, or do I need to run out and grab a lint brush or whatever the case is, because I don't know what it is. I guess like I'm starting to see like little lint balls on here, so I don't know, maybe I may need to purchase a lint brush. My hands on a strap as of yet because you know, they're $85, and you know your girl do not like paying full price, so I'm waiting patiently for them to go on sale. Also looking to purchase the mini version of this hair bag, but in the teddy, like that teddy bear material. I saw one in like I'll probably try and insert a picture for you all, but yeah, that one is $250, and again, I'm waiting for that to go on sale because I do not want to, of course, pay full price. While I was looking for the teddy version of the mini teddy is because I don't have nothing like that in my collection, so I just felt like that would be a cute addition to my collection. I have the mini version of this here Marc Jacobs tote in the teddy, or even the other version of this bag. Let me know how you like in the mini. Like, is it too small, or is it like, you know, a good small where it's, you know, a good everyday type of bag? So, you know, down below your thoughts on the mini version, because I only saw one video, no, I think it was two, on that mini teddy tote. I think that's what it's called, you all. Yeah, they didn't have any Black Friday deals on that particular bag. I know it's brand new. Now, they did have a lot of sales on the Longchamp bags, but I'm not really in the market for a new one because I have a few. So like, I kind of like the whole Marc Jacobs tote thing. I'm just worried about this hair color situation because I saw a tan one with the black striping on the side. I do like that, and then I also like that yellow. Like I said, the yellow would be one I would purchase towards the summertime. And what else? Like, they having a lot of sales going on, you all. So if y'all picked up anything during the Black Friday sale, again, let me know down below. So this here video is going to be super duper quick to let y'all know what I have been experiencing with this bag. And I only carried the bag like that one particular long day. Like, I haven't really carried the bag like that because, again, there's really nowhere for me to go. One day I carried this here bag. I was like, oh my goodness, what the hell just happened? So besides that, you all, I'm still loving the bag. So yeah, I just wanted to see, you can see the red. I'm not sure, let me see. See, you can see the red on the front of the bag. Probably because, like I said, I was just mainly trying to get the majority of it off. So I didn't really take my time and wipe it really good to get every piece of it off. Since I noticed this filming the video, I'm gonna go back and grab my towel and, you know, rub it off a lot harder so I can get kind of everything off. Yeah, I'm kind of repeating myself, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this here video. But again, I just wanted to, you know, warn y'all what I experienced with this hair bag. So with that being said, you all, if you like this hair video, please give this video a big thumbs up because it helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button, yep, right here, and my notification bell so y'all can be notified each week when your girl uploads videos. And until next time, I will talk to y'all later. Bye.